Here's an uncomfortable truth. Science has never been more capable and never been more ignored. We can sequence a genome in a day. We can predict a hurricane's path a week in advance. We can see a pandemic coming. And yet, public trust in science keeps falling, and the attention economy keeps rewarding whoever is loudest, not whoever presents the facts, not whoever's right. The most urgent crisis in science isn't what we don't know. It's that the science we do know isn't landing. And that's the problem this panel addresses. And we're not going to solve anything by preaching to the choir or repeating, trust the science. Our panel, and really more of a working session together, is about a hard question. How do we make science matter to people? We've built a lineup you're not going to see anywhere else. First up, the editor in chief of Science, the world's most consequential research journal, who daily stands at the exact spot where rigorous research becomes public knowledge, which means he has the clearest view of where that pipeline breaks. Next on our panel, the Vice Chancellor for Research at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, who decides how science gets funded, prioritized, and protected at scale. Our third panelist is the head of research communications at GE Aerospace. She works day in and day out in an industry where she sees that science communication carries some of the highest life safety stakes. And finally, the global head of content at the Weather Company. She puts actionable science in front of tens of millions of people a day, proof that rigor and mass attention are not mutually exclusive. A journal, a university, a factory floor, and your weather app. Same fight, four different fronts. If you believe getting science heard is one of the defining challenges of the next decade, you can do something about it in the next 10 seconds. Vote for Science Has the Answers. Is anyone listening? In the South by Southwest 2027 panel picker. Because the answers are here. It's up to us to make sure people are listening.